In this video, I'll show you the difference between Robinhood and TD Ameritrade and which one is better in 2026. First, open both apps or visit their websites, then log in and explore the main dashboard and trading sections. Robinhood is built for simplicity. You can search for a stock, tap on it, and place a trade quickly with a clean interface. It's ideal if you want a fast and easy experience without too many tools. It also offers features like fractional shares and a modern design. TD Ameritrade, on the other hand, is more advanced. Once you open the app and go to the Trade or Think or Swim section, you'll find detailed charts, technical indicators, and powerful tools for analysis. It also provides access to more investment options and in-depth research. When it comes to tools and customization, TD Ameritrade is much stronger, while Robinhood focuses on beginner-friendly use. If you want a simple and quick trading experience, Robinhood is a solid choice. If you want advanced tools and deeper market analysis, TD Ameritrade is usually the better option. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.